Wagwan, wanna good? On this week's show, we have a lot of giving back. Atlanta Carnival, Shell, Shakademos, and Pliers got certified gold in the UK for Murder, She Wrote. New music and lots more. I'm your host, Alicia. Let's get into it. The famous sound system face-off dub, the Guinness Sound of Greatness, is set to be back, and it's coming with a bit more girl power. Its 14th staging will be titled Back on the Streets, as they are gearing up to take the show on the road. After DJ Naz demonstrated her girl power and walked away with the championship belt during the competition's virtual staging last year. In a sound system culture which is male-dominated, it really sheds some light on the female selectors and their talent. The media launch doubled as an awards ceremony as veteran sound system Renaissance, Disco, Kilimanjaro, and Bodyguard Sound were the first three to collect their GSOG Champions belt. Out of 10 sound systems expected to receive GSOG Recognition Award this year, it highlights sound systems that have participated in the competition in one form or the other and have made significant contributions to the dancehall industry. Not even Christmas, and everyone is in the giving mood. Dancehall producer Ainsley Not Nice Morris, alongside business partner Cram Medley, gave a check of 200,000 Jamaican dollars to his alma mater, St. Catherine High School. The funds presented are in aid of students attending St. Catherine High School to purchase books, stationeries, uniforms, and pay school fees. Morris graduated from St. Catherine High School in 2002. He and his business partner, Cram Medley, put the funds together to aid students in need. He also encourages other entertainers who can afford to give back to do so. Not nice? This is a good look. 3 weeks straight, I am make it pan ReCap now, a record. But this one, I love to see. Yup, dancehall artist Skeng surprised his mom with a new car. See what I mean by one of them, not dash away? Don't be quick to judge. There's always a bit of good in everyone somewhere, and nothing can repay mama love, guess what? And appreciation, and Skeng dig that. He gifted his mom a brand new cherry red Nissan Skyline 350 GT hybrid. This give me shorter bread to say all of this. But yes, Skeng seems so happy to do this for his mom while she was at school teaching. In a post on Twitter, he retweeted, "House on the hill next." So biggie, yeah, so nice. This is nice. From a video post which was making its round on Twitter. Skeng, I love this for you, you know. And your mommy? It's a good look. Murder, She Wrote. Murder, She Wrote. Yes, Shakademos and Pliers' Murder, She Wrote is certified gold in the UK. The 30-year-old hit song, according to the British Phonographic Industry BPI, was issued a Brit Certified Gold Award on Friday. On June 3rd, after it sold over 400,000 copies in the UK as measured by the official charts company. Murder, She Wrote was recorded with several producers before it was taken up by Sly and Robbie and Lloyd Gatesy Willis on the infectious Bam Bam rhythm in 1992. The song later appeared on Shakademos and Pliers' 1993 album, Teasing. Shakademos and Pliers, congrats to you. Big up you. And that's how we say congrats on this show. Georgia was filled with the vibes, the undeniable energy of Caribbean music, and the scent of island cuisine, which brought out Carnival lovers after 2-year culture withdrawal. The weekend of events produced by the Atlanta Caribbean Carnival Band Leaders Association, ACCBA, was certainly one for the records. It was its 35th anniversary celebration as well, so you know, say a bing bang badness. The event was headlined by the famous Atlanta Caribbean Carnival Parade on May 28th and was its largest they have ever seen. This major 2022 Carnival response left some persons unable to enter the parade meetup venue due to capacity limits at the downtown Atlanta Carnival Festival Village, which was at Central Park. Patrons found creative ways to access the vendors and live entertainment in the enclosed venue. This major occurrence speaks volumes for power soca music and carnival culture carries, and of the desire by the Caribbean community and its supporters to indulge in the festivities after a 2-year absence. This week's new music features Samantha J with Push Your Luck, Ja Vinci with Teleport, Yaxter with Clap, Ritical with Bang Bang, and Blackadan with Brick. Take a look.
Yeah, oh you wanna play like that? Oh you wanna try to my place like that? No, we don't play like that. Better move over where you we get. All my angels govern me. Try don't come too close. Got the big bad eagle cover me. Try not push your luck up. Guess it's lonely on the way up. Tired of the signs and I'm fed up. Tryna keep the faith, keep my head up. My mindset, yeah, it's mad up.
You want a 100 million, visit and want some property. Me tell myself, say me have to get rich and hide out poverty. I want make no money, let me kiss with me legacy. Love money, hype in a dance, all them dead left for NSC.
It's a shit.
Yeah. Richer, pan, richer.
Say she want bush lad, but that a rum chat. She a go make me bust pow like a gunshot. Give her the spear cause man a hunter. And a spoil and me a go put on your bumper. Make it clap. Hey girl, make it clap. Fling it so make it clap. What's that? No cap. Baby, make it clap. Empress, make it clap. Fling it so fling it back. You're making a tick and chat.
Me and no regular youth. Me drop the bang them and turn them in a fool. It's like them never learn about patience in a school. Well, the hospital are for you. Me at a dance stove. Them say time me leave for business if the cocky da move. One reticle a fire like a rocket a shoot. Me never see the barrel where the crab da do. Me know what me cable no sorry from your folly you do.
Sitting down on the brick, she only sitting down on the brick. More sit to stand up and walk, she sitting down on the brick. Girl, why you sit down? Sitting down on the brick. More sit to stand up and walk, she sitting down on the. Say she belly outing, girl is walking. She don't walk for nothing. Show me what you walking with. Say she belly outing, girl is walking. She don't walk for nothing. Only sitting down on the brick. Well, me chin boca. Say she's a real hard worker. In the construction site, I put a set of brake on she shoulder.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, these individuals. Happy birthday to you. This week's birthday shout out goes to Juna Reed, Serrani, and Lorna Bennett. Have a happy birthday and continue to do great work. And you know, it can't be a birthday celebration without me saying, big up you. And on that note, thanks for watching PBCJ's Entertainment Recap. I'm your girl, Alicia. Follow us on all socials at PBCJamaica. Thanks to the Ear Candy Collection for my earrings. Remember to follow them at the Ear Candy Collection on all social media platforms. If you have a new story, music video, or something you just want us to carry, email us at asteel@pbcjamaica.org. Have a great weekend and big up you!